Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's video I'm going to show you how to bend a 22mm 90-degree bend in 22mm pipe instead of 15. Obviously on the 15mm you're marking from the centre of the pipe here back 70mm and then you pull your bend. On this one I've set it up so obviously it would be 110mm back on a 22mm pipe. So wherever you want to pull your bend from, obviously if your pipe's running up there like that and you want to pull the bend across like that, obviously. So you put your mark there and you measure 110 back from there. I'm going to show you the reason why in the bender, why it's 110. So if you just take your 22mm Monument Master bender, place your pipe inside there like that, and obviously when you pull your pipe work, so when you're pulling your pipe work down like that from the reference, from the guard there, look, like that, it's 110mm downwards. So I'll show you an example. So obviously it is 110. So if I grab the other side of that, and then if I pull that into a 90-degree bend, and then you'll see why it's 110. So I'm just going to pull this bend now. I've never known anybody to try and do these or be able to do these with both hands. So I pull that so far and then try and finish it off under the camera, which would be pretty hard, but I'll have a go. Just past that mark there, let's have a look. Nearly. There we go. A little bit more, guys. Nearly there. I'd say that was it. Yep. Take them off. Pull that out. So, if we put that back in, just to show you, like that. Put that back in there, guys. Get a tape, as you can see. From there is 110. You see, look, 110. If you went from that guard there, obviously it's 150, but from that guard there it's 110. That's why you pull it back 110 on a 22mm pipe bend, look. And you can see. Take that out, and then bang it in there like that, look. There you go. And that's how you pull a 22mm 90-degree elbow, guys. So as you can see, you put that back in the bender, like that. Get your tape into the camera. It's 110, look. See it on that line? I've got it on that line there, look. It's 110. So the 90-degree bend in a 50mm pipe is 70mm back, and a 90-degree bend on a 22mm pipe is 110 back. There you go, guys. So that's how you pull a 90-degree bend in 22mm. Thanks for watching the video, guys, and look out for our next one.